Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and today is Wednesday, February 6th of 2019, and congratulations, we made it to the 100th day of school. Yay! Finally, with all the snow days and the cold weather days and everything else in between, we finally made it to 100 days of school. Congratulations. Awesome job. Very proud of you. All those good things. So hopefully we still are celebrating the 100th day of school in the classrooms today, and you brought maybe 100th of something. Maybe 100 Fruit Loops or 100 goldfish, or some of you might have brought 100 Matchbox cars. But happy 100th day to all of you. Another reminder that Yearbook Club meets after school today. And for our announcements today for our February birthdays, we don't have any. So there's no birthdays to announce for today on February 6th. Bummer. So we'll go to lunch choices. Cheese quesadilla, grilled chicken sandwich, and ham and cheese sandwich. It's a sandwich and quesadilla day. You can put it between the pieces of bread or I guess a tortilla. We're having it today. So, and today for our pause, we have second grade students here to kind of talk about some things about our pause and also with our World's Finest Chocolate fundraiser. And we have some second grade girls here, and today if you look behind them, our chocolate stack is getting much smaller, so we don't have much chocolate left, so we have less than half of what we started with last week. So if you're to be selling chocolate, better turn in your permission slip soon. And each one of the girls are modeling some things about what you could actually get from selling some chocolate. So we have two girls with have the keychains there that are emojis that are kind of squishy, and then we have somebody with one of our hats. If you sell one box, you get a hat. All right, for our pause today, I'll have students go through about what things they want to share.
No messing around on the carpet. Don't talk when the teacher's not talking. Don't push in line.
Thank you very much, girls. All right, boys and girls, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, girls. Thank you very much, and happy 100th day of school once again. I hope you have a great day. Remember, let's make some great choices on this 100th day.